Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today is an absolutely gorgeous day outside, so you already know that we are firing up the smoker and cooking something delicious. Now, it's a common misconception that when you're just getting started on smoking, there's a really steep learning curve. That's not necessarily the case, depending on what you're making. But if you have a pellet grill, like I do, it can be really simple to make some really delicious stuff. Case in point, what we're making here today, which is a standard, okay, it's anything but standard, cheeseburger. This is gonna be about the simplest cheeseburger that you've ever made. It's gonna be a double cheeseburger, so we're gonna have 2 patties on it. We're gonna top it with just some of the most basic things to make a delicious smoked cheeseburger. And if you got any kind of like holiday coming up where you're gonna be doing a backyard barbecue or anything like that, these burgers will be the easiest that you could possibly make on your pellet grill. So with all that said, let's get started. Now, when I said these burgers were simple, that is what I meant. So simple, in fact, that I'm not even making the patties myself. These are pre-made patties because sometimes, you know, you just don't have the time to make your own burgers. And you can really find some good quality pre-made burgers if you know where to look. Not gonna do a ton to these, but the first thing I am going to do is add just a little Worcestershire sauce. Not a lot, just like that much. Just enough to coat the side. And then flip it. Do the same thing. Why am I doing this? Because I'm going to season these burgers, and I really want to use this as kind of like a binder, like you would on, you know, a brisket or pork butt, something like that. But it's also going to inject just a little bit more flavor into these pre-made patties. Okay, so my Worcestershire sauce is on, and now comes today's seasoning of choice, the Pit Boss burger seasoning. This is bacon cheddar flavor. Again, nothing super fancy, just some really good standard burger flavors. All right, just a little bit on that one and on that one. Kind of see as I'm patting that in, it's sort of disappearing, and that's because of that sauce that we put on there to bind it on. So it may not look like the seasoning is even really on there, but obviously it is. It's not coming off on my hands. Flip them over. Same thing here. And what if I told you that's all we're gonna do to these burgers? That's how simple it is. Well, that's exactly the case. So now all I gotta do is go take them over to the smoker. Let's go. All right, today the Pit Boss is at 250 degrees, and I'm smoking using the Pit Boss Pecan Blend pellets, which is a really great flavor of wood pellet for beef. And now at 250 degrees, these burgers are probably gonna take, I don't know, maybe like 30 to 45 minutes to come up to the temperature that I want. You could smoke it however long you want. Use a meat thermometer if you wanna know kind of where your temperature's at. I'm just gonna sort of eyeball it because I like a burger that's a little less done. So I'm gonna be going for like a, I don't know, like a medium or so. But really, you can't go wrong with a burger. I mean, even a well-done burger is still a great burger. Did I just make a bunch of people mad by saying that? Oh well, I stand by it. Any way that you eat a burger, as long as it's not completely raw, it's fine. All right, so I'm gonna put them right on the grates. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here's our one. Put them right in the middle here. And here's 2. Tell me that wasn't the easiest thing. All right, so now it's time to leave them, come back out in a little bit and check on them. And as soon as they're done, we're gonna finish them up, dress them up, and try this delicious double cheeseburger. All right, it's been about 45 minutes and my neighbor is mowing their lawn. I'm sure you can probably hear that, but I'll try and talk over it. Check out these burgers. Beautiful color on there. Now I can tell by looking at them that they're pretty much right where I want them before flipping. All right, so I put a couple of pieces of white American cheese on there. Next thing I'm gonna do is open my sear burner on the Lockhart so we can see that flame is going in there. And I'm just gonna take these burgers and put them directly over the flame. Now I'm gonna leave them on here for about a minute, right over that direct flame. Then I'm gonna take them off and we'll go from there. All right, so here I have a sesame seed brioche bun, which is, I love sesame seed buns, delicious. Just gonna put a little bit of butter on the inside of here. Oh yeah. The other side. I'm gonna put this bun face down on the smoker grates for just long enough to get it nice and toasted. All right, I am ready to build a burger. All right, we start with our bottom bun, beautifully toasted on the smoker. Next, I'm coming in with some iceberg lettuce, and I want to put it on my bottom bun because it's gonna sort of act as a barrier to the juices and stuff like that, not just going everywhere. It's gonna sort of hold some of that. That's not to say this is not gonna be a juicy burger, because just wait and see. Next, burger patty, number 1. Next, oh man, burger patty, number 2. Of course, beautiful slice of tomato. And now ketchup, mustard, whatever you want. I am a huge fan of barbecue sauce. You can use whatever kind of sauce you like. I have my own homemade Holy Smokes barbecue sauce. This is a thinner sauce, so it's gonna run a little bit, but that's fine with me. So I'm gonna just kind of put that right on this tomato. And of course, we'll just drizzle it a little bit over the burger too. And then finally we finish with our top toasted bun. And oh man, look at that. Tell me that's not a gorgeous barbecue burger. Man, that's just got backyard written all over it. Okay, wow, what a delicious looking burger. Like I said, this thing screams outdoor barbecue, holiday gathering, summer, whatever, pool party, or really any excuse that you can have to make a burger. You saw how easy and simple that was, but it doesn't have to be difficult to be delicious. So now it's time to try this stacked double smoked cheeseburger. Get a little press here. Oh man, this is about to be giant. All right, here we go. Mouth is watering. The crunch. You get that crisp from the toasted bread, from the iceberg, even from the outside of those burgers. Oh my gosh, it is so good. The flavors, that Pit Boss seasoning, not to mention that barbecue sauce. Oh gosh. I feel like Mufasa with Simba. Holy smokes, that is so dang good. Listen, it's a large burger. You could just do one patty if you want, but the purpose of this video is to show you just how simple it is to make delicious food on the Pit Boss. Well, I'm ready to finish this burger up, so I'm gonna head inside to do just that. But thank you so much for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. I hope you learned something really, really simple today. If you like this video, make sure that you click that thumbs up to give us a like, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Now is the best time to subscribe because we got some incredible stuff coming down the road. I can't wait for you to see it. And if you like this video, make sure you check out one of these other 2 videos of some things that would be perfect at your backyard barbecue this summer. And I'll see you next time.